Starting around May 31, 2023, the exchange rate for Avalanche Slide is $14.66, which is a change of 0.3%, and the most current 60 minutes. Contrary to what most people think, Avax has a market cap of $4.94 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $104.574 million. This puts Avalanche at number 16 in the cryptocurrency market. What will Avalanche Slide be worth in 2023? This is a very important question, because Avalanche Slide is a very big deal. Some people think that it will be worth buying in 2023, or at least that it will be worth more than its record-breaking price. In contrast to what most people think, Avalanche Slide cost estimates for Avax's future are really high. Avalanche Slide Value Prediction 2023. According to the Avalanche Slide Estimate Cost and Technical Analysis, the Avax price is expected to cross a normal value level of 18.75 in 2023. The normal pretty least value worth of Avalanche's Slide at the end of the current year should be 18.17, which is different from what most people think. Avalanche can also reach a kind of highest value level. Avalanche Slide Value Estimate for May 2023. The Avalanche Slide value for May 2023 could be as low as $13.66 or as high as $15.53. The average price of Avax is expected to be $15.10 in May 2023. Avalanche Slide Value Estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the highest price for an Avalanche Slide could be as high as $16.29. The lowest price for Avax in June 2023 is $14.68, and the average price was thought to be $15.40. Avalanche Slide Value Estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the highest price for Avalanche Slide could reach around $16.90, which shows that Avalanche's Slide was a good investment or worth buying in 2023, or so they thought. The lowest price for Avax in July 2023 is $15.29, and the average price is $15.86. Avax Value Estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Avalanche's Slide is thought to have a minimum value of 15.78 and a maximum value of 17.70, with an average cost of 16.50. September 2023. In September 2023, the price of Avalanche Slide is expected to be at least 16.42 cents, which is very important. The average price of an Avalanche Slide is $16.99, but it can cost as much as $18.36. They thought that by the end of October 2023, the average price of an Avalanche Slide could go up to $17.50. With an average expected price of 16.78, Avax could trade for as much as $19.21. Avalanche Slide Value Figure by the end of November 2023, the average price of Avalanche Slide could go up to $18.03. Avax could be trading between a high of 19.91 and a low of 17.45, which is a big range. Avalanche Slide Value Expectation. The price of Avalanche Slide is expected to reach at least $18.17 in December 2023. In a quiet way, the Avax price could reach a high of $20.63, with an average trading price of $18.75 throughout 2023. May 2023, the Avalanche Slide price for May 2023 could be as low as $13.66 and as high as $15.53. The Avalanche Slide really went beyond the value test in the specific. Over the past 24 hours, the price of crypto has dropped by 0.38%, or so they thought. If you compare the Avax's current market cap to yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Avalanche Slide Value Gauge October 2023. the average price of Avalanche Slide could go up to $17.50. As opposed to what most people think, Avalanche Slide is having a very hard time getting on board with other crypto coins. In the last 7 days, the Avax has dropped to about 1.64%, which is a very serious situation. The price of Avax has dropped by 30.988, which is an average of $6.58, in the last month. Quick guesswork about how Avalanche's Slide value. Guesswork September 2023, the price of Avalanche Slide is expected to be at least 16.42 in September 2023, which is very important. The 90-day price difference is about 17.6%, and the price went from a low of 16.54 cents to a high of $18.27. Beyond 90 days, in a quiet way over the past 4 months, Avalanche Slide has shown a developing pattern that shows how the coin is still gambling with outlining parts. This has been going on for a few days. The coin could have serious areas of strength, but we don't think it would be a useful resource and would change quickly. Instead, we think that similar parts of the maze will be more stable. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been putting off and turning down talks for many months. In the next 2 years, the deal limits how much money the U.S. government can spend. The prices of national security will not be taxed, which is a very important point. This deal was made a month after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned on June 1 that the talks could fail. After the debt cap was announced, more money started to flow into